right, Kevin, this is the front of the house, and right behind here is the stack that goes up to the second floor bathroom. Comes down to this point. At this point, the drain line turns. It's the beginning of our horizontal drain. So now with this camera,
love this contraption
it's really
here,
cool.
huh?
I'm going to be able to take a camera with a light at the end of it and be able to see the condition of the pipe.
So we're in the cast iron already,
That's
just right there at the front.
And I'm at 0 feet because I'm right at this point. So now I'm going to start feeding, and as I do,
Oh yeah,
you'll see the distance change.
it's 2 feet. Still clear. I mean, it's old, but still clear.
So
Now, is
there's
that
a little bit
starting to
of
fill up?
That's a little bit of, see the bottom third of that thing has got some
Yeah,
junk
you
in
can
it. But
see
that's
it's-
nothing, that's just organic matter. We could clear that with a drain snake. I'm worried about tree roots. I'm worried about a collapsed pipe.
Look at this.
So this is out now.
Richard, you take me to the fanciest
Places.
places.
Stick with me, kid. All right, here we go. Yeah,
Uh-oh, uh-oh. So now you're catching some of it?
Yeah, so let's go.
I do have to say, it's remarkably nasty down there.
It's a place you don't often get to go. Stick with me.
I can actually see little bugs.
Yeah, yeah, we turn.
Oh,
There's a standing water. That was not...
so at this point, the horizontal has just connected to a vertical down
Right,
into the
but there
ground.
should not be water standing in any drain. There should be no water.
So we've got a backup.
There's some sort of backup. Let's see if we can get through it.
You think you can, oh man, check that out. Oh, wait, nope, you're not moving.
No.
You've hit water, but you're not moving.
No. So there's water there. There shouldn't be. But at least it tells me that I know from this point back, 25 feet, I've got an issue. Let's see what we got. And that brings us to the back of the building right here. Ah, look at it. So when I see this right here, see the two cleanouts right here?
Mm-hmm.
That suggests that there's a house trap. Yep. See the
yeah,
light?
I see the light. So that's the end of that snake you just fed through.
Right. So that tells us that we're really good to here.
And what's a house trap?
Well, a house trap hasn't been used in a lot of years, but it used to be that when you'd have the horizontal drain in the basement, and then right at the point where it exited the building, they used to put a U-shaped trap like this, so water would be sitting here, and then this would continue on to the sewer. And I think there's some stoppage in here. At least it tells me for right now, though, that I'm perfectly fine from here back, so that means I can rebuild out here. We also ripped out the mud tile job here on this first floor. That did not go easy.
No, those things are bare.
Hot day. All right, so here's our 3-inch that we ran up for our toilet. And the key is to get this about 12 inches off the finished grade of wall. And so that's going to be about there. That's perfect. Once the floor is in, we'll put a flange on right here. We'll attach our toilet to that flange.
Mm-hmm.
Now, at this point, we have to think about the lavatory trap. And so there's a TY that's going to go here. Here's the trap. And we have to now worry about the vent for both the lavatory and for the toilet. Now, the original installation was not legally vented by today's standards. It just came to this point and stopped.
Mm-hmm.
But think about what I'd have to do to conventionally vent it. Come up through this wall, come across through this tripler or up higher, but then I still have to get into this cast iron. That would be a real bear to try to do that, to get that vent reconnected.
But you do have to vent it, though.
Right. So what they allow in this jurisdiction is a mechanical vent. And so this is a mechanical vent. It would allow air to come in to break the vent when the sink was draining, but it would never allow odors to go the other way. So if I pull in, it lets air in. If I push, it doesn't. Okay?
Great.
But it needs to be in a place that has free air. So what we'll do is we'll offset this into the cabinet of the vanity so
Yep.
it has plenty of air. It's not trapped in a wall.
So a bunch of hard work, but in terms of rough plumbing, this house is in pretty good shape.
It is. The house is really sound, and after 2 solid days hard work right here, we know that every bit of the drain work below my feet and out to the building is perfect.
Great.
Thanks for that. I'll be here sweating.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.